Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a new altcoin chart request video where we look at Link, Tezos, BAB and Akash network. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. So we look at first Link chart, Link USD chart. Guys, it will just take a few seconds. If you can like this video, it would be a great appreciation and motivation for me. So please, if you're liking my efforts, then do like the video. So Link, we can very clearly see had a good breakout like every other altcoin, but is currently looking slightly weaker in the USD pair. You can see this is a deviation and it got resisted from an important resistance, which was a previous support at around 29.9 to $30 range. You can see it was a previous big resistance. Finally, Link broke out and created it as support over here, and it is definitely going to act as resistance, but I am sure with time this will be flipped into support for another leg up. So currently Link is under consolidation and it can see some correction because it is looking weaker recently, but overall Link is bullish. It has broken a very important 19.9 to $20 range, and this is now flipped into support. It has not retested yet, but a retest also would be healthy. I don't know, we will find that retest, but overall Link is looking healthy because of the Link Bitcoin pair. You can see the Link Bitcoin pair. Then this has been one of the longest trend lines for Link BTC. If you see in a zoomed out way, definitely Link has been bearish against BTC since August 2020. 15th August 2020 was a Link BTC top, and since then Link has been bearish. This has been an overall resistance for Link. But this ultimate breakout, I expect Link to literally fly, because this has been a long time consolidation in this range. But this has been a long support for Link since almost 2 years. We recently Link BTC bounced from here. You can see in January we retested this support twice, and currently Link is flipped into a very important support, which was a previous resistance of this zone at around 53 to 54. So 5300 to 5400 satoshis is a range which was previous resistance, which is now Link is trying to flip it into support. It would be very important if Link can do this. Then I expect it to further trend up, ultimately retesting this downtrend. Once breaking this would begin a new impulse wave for Link in the Bitcoin pair, in my opinion. The immediate resistance for Link BTC would be this downtrend and this green line that you see, because that has been a previous resistance. It was a local top here, and even previously you can see multiple times this price range was acting as resistance. So overall Link BTC is looking very attractive to me. These are good times to buy Link against Bitcoin, in my opinion. These are the not good, in fact one of the best times. You can see whenever Link has tested this red support band since 2 years, it has bounced. And if if you would buy Link against Bitcoin in this support zone, in this trend line, you would have always gained a lot against Bitcoin, in my opinion. So these are one of the great times to accumulate Link, and hence I do not see any I do not think it's to be worried against Link USDT also, because ultimately Link BTC pair will pump, then USDT pair will also pump. So overall, this was what is about Link. I will make another video specially for Link, because I had also shared one trajectory video on Link. And if we look at that Link trajectory chart, I have not changed it since then. You can see very clearly Link is right now getting resistance from this. This is an unchanged chart. This video was shared with you all, I guess 2 months back or 3 months back, I don't remember. But this has been my long-term Link chart since almost 2 years now. And you can see that we are currently getting resisted by this blue zone, this blue trend line. Once we break it into support, I expect Link to go and retest the black trend line. So a new all-time high for Link is just a matter of time, in my opinion. So that was Link for you. I will make a detailed video later for sure about Link. The next chart that we are going to look at is Tezos. And again, Tezos has been one of the most underperformed altcoins in this bull market overall. It did not perform as well as it could, because it is a solid project for sure. But currently, we are seeing an amazing breakout on Tezos. This was a downtrend which Tezos has broken. And for me, the first major resistance for Tezos would be at $5.7, and it is very near that. You can see it has hit all the targets, and ultimately 5.7 is an important resistance for Tezos to break. Once it can break 5.7, we will definitely see a new all-time high for Tezos, in my opinion. Again, this is not a financial advice. This is just my opinion. Tezos has flipped 2.7 into support. This was an important price zone for Tezos to flip into support, which it has. So if you are planning to accumulate Tezos, because it is definitely looking good, then I think these are the zones where you can DCA. You can dollar cost average, and 4.3, 3.7, 3.3, and ultimately, if you get a retest, which looks very unlikely, of $2.7 range. Because if you look at the all-time high of Tezos, it is at around 8.3. So it's almost 2x from here. But again, Tezos BTC is looking really good after a long time, after a long accumulation, and hence this Tezos is a good opportunity to buy. It has broken this downtrend in the Bitcoin pair, which you can see here very clearly. And it's going for its retest of this very important range at around 12131 satoshis. So at around 12,131 satoshis, this has been a long-term resistance for Tezos BTC. So once we break this, then I am expecting XTZ to move amazingly well against Bitcoin, because you can see, if you zoom out, then this has been one of the best times to buy Tezos against Bitcoin. This zone, the zone between green and black. See the accumulation, because once we break this, you can see the history that Tezos has pumped so well against Bitcoin. If we look at the pump after breaking of this zone, then it has always been around 200%, 200%. So 100 to 200% pump against Bitcoin is expected once we break this green resistance. So again, this is a good looking opportunity to me. Tezos, you can accumulate in dips and in parts. Never go all in if you are not aware of the price action, or if you are weak at that. Buy in dips and buy in parts, so you will always be safe, in my opinion. So Tezos is looking good. The third chart that I was requested is BAX, and BAX is again showing good reversal. You can see over here. For me, important price action for BACS to break was this zone, which it has broken 0.00038. So I have not traded BACS anytime. I have not even studied about it. I don't know what project it is. I'm just looking at the chart and as it was requested. But what I can clearly see is this has been a great recovery. Once it breaks this zone, which looks as a big resistance to me at 0.0008, then we can expect BACS to go and retest these two resistances. One major resistance is at 0.001 and the other one is at 0.0019. So these are the two clear cut resistance in my opinion, but this is a very good recovery. So BACS is looking good. If we look at the bull market support band for BACS, you can see it is about to flip into bullish on the daily. So if you like the project, then this is definitely a good looking chart in my opinion. You can accumulate some here. And if at all we get further correction, then you can accumulate some more here. Because once broken this resistance, it is the next major resistance is over here. So at least a 70% pump in BACS is very reasonable. And of course, it can go way higher looking at the bull market. If you look at BACS BTC, then again in the Bitcoin pair, BACS has broken out and is looking very strong. So for Bitcoin pair, 106 Satoshis is an important pivot point. Unless and until we are holding it as support, BACS will ultimately retest 207. And if broken 207, then yes, it can go way higher also. So good looking chart right now experiencing a healthy correction, at least 50% potential from its local major resistance, what I see in BACS BTC pair. So this is again a good opportunity in my opinion. If you know about the project, then the chart is definitely looking good. And the fourth chart for today is Akash Network, that is AKT. Disclaimer to you, I do hold a small bag of Akash Network and a very big bag of Link. So among today's all the alts that we are analyzing, I do hold Link and Akash Network. So please be aware about it. Uh, Again, this has been one of a long-term accumulation or sideways moment in my opinion in Akash. The first major resistance is at $3.7, and the important price that it had to break was at around 2.8, which it has broken. Now it's coming down and retesting it. Flipping 2.8 into support would be great because ultimately I see Akash Network can at least go to 5.6 in my opinion in the immediate short-term future in a few weeks or months. If you look at Akash BTC chart, then it is still in the downtrend, but a good time to break this downtrend is now. So you have to wait. You have to wait for Akash BTC to break this downtrend. But once broken this downtrend, it will ultimately go and retest this top, in my opinion, at 12657. So breaking this downtrend, and an important pivot point for Akash is at 7860 Satoshis, which is right now acting as resistance. So if you're somebody who wanting to enter, I would suggest you for it to wait this downtrend, flip this 7860 as support, and then you can definitely ride this whole wave if you are looking to trade it. If you are somebody who likes the project and the way I have hodled a very small bag of it since a long time now, you also can if you believe in the project. But if you purely wanting to trade it, then I think you should wait for the breakout in the Bitcoin pair, because once broken, this would be a very good trade in my opinion. You can see a potential after breakout of almost 84% in the Bitcoin pair. So this is definitely a good trade, but wait for it to break out and wait for it to flip 7860 satoshis into support, this zone. Once flipped into support, this can, the next major resistance is directly over here. So a good trade in my opinion. So this is an overall altcoin chart request video. I hope you guys liked it. I made it as detailed as possible. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.